We're starting a new series today called How Sweet the Sound. And speaking of how sweet the sound, we've got a sweet sound coming up here.
Yes, we have a special guest with us
We
this
have a
morning.
very special guest with us. Andrew, local bagpiper, the chaplain at Alma College, is with us today, going to be giving us some sweet sounds on the bagpipe. While he's warming us up, we would love for you to comment on this question. If your mom was a stereotype, which one would she be of the ones that Chad said? Or make up your own stereotype. In the meantime, I think what this service needs right now is more bagpipe. Woo! Oh, man, that's spectacular.